More than 2 months and 1 million doses later, doctors are learning the reality of COVID vaccines. This round likely won't be the last.
Some leading researchers on this very subject are here in Colorado, and they predict vaccinations could become a regular thing. Right now, there are 5 notable vaccines. Pfizer's and Moderna's are currently in use. Versions from Johnson & Johnson, AstraZeneca, and Novavax are in phase 3 trials. Colorado is currently receiving an average of 90,000 doses per week. That will jump to more than 200,000 doses when the state opens up vaccinations to essential workers. And with every dose, the doctors are learning more about the effects. Tonight, Alan Janae looking into that research. He's in Lakewood, where there was a vaccination clinic today. Alan?
Well, Jim, more second shots here today. That Johnson & Johnson vaccine is expected to come online soon. Another tool in the toolkit, a single-dose vaccine, but experts are looking at whether it should be a double dose as well to increase its effectiveness. Now, no vaccine is 100% effective, and I am told that there have been Coloradans who have gotten 2 doses of the vaccine and still have gotten COVID. But get vaccinated and you're a lot better off. As a long line of cars stretched out,
I don't have it.
You don't have an appointment, but you really want to get vaccinated.
2 women walked up looking for vaccine.
You want to get a vaccine somehow?
Demand is a sign of success.
I feel so relieved.
I was thinking about maybe taking a trip somewhere. I don't care if it's to Pueblo and back.
Are your grandkids around?
73-year-old dance instructor Joy Egan's teaching children again.
Yeah, just seeing those kids come in every week, I think I died and went to heaven again.
Were you sick?
This pandemic is far from over, says Dr. David Buther.
COVID-19 is probably going to be circulating kind of endemic in our community for the foreseeable future.
And we may need to fight it with more shots.
I don't know whether it'll be every year or every 5 years, but there's probably going to be some sort of revaccination effort. Not so much that the shot wore off, but that the virus changed.
The good news is current vaccines can easily be retooled for variants.
It's really just you're changing the message in a vaccine that you've already proven to be safe and effective.
Trials would likely be short.
I don't know what that timeline looks like, but it would not take a year like this one did. As rapid as that was, we could probably get something out in a matter of several months.
Because people like Joy want to be back for good.
Everybody come and try a class?
Because you're ready.
I'm ready.
Yes, she is. Small studies are leaking out, Dr. Buther says, that indicate that if you're vaccinated, you are less likely to transmit the disease. But you still want to keep the mask on because that protects against variants. And one good thing, potentially, about this pandemic, believe it or not, the unique vaccines developed to fight COVID may form a good pattern for new vaccines to fight an old foe, influenza. In Lakewood, I'm Alan Janae, covering Colorado First.
Alan, thank you.